day today. I'm gonna try to do some vlogging from my phone today. I do have a Pro Series iPhone 11 Pro. I don't know, I don't use it as much as I thought I would, so figured I'd just try to get something out of it. So I'm going to Lowe's today. I'm gonna grab some things for a new lighting setup in the backyard that I'm trying to do. Right now we're trying to relight the backyard for Lisette's and mine's birthday party last year. We bought this backyard lights and they're really pretty, really warm for nighttime, and they provide very consistent lighting. Lisette's sister's having a baby and her baby shower is going to be at our house, and you know, we wanted to upgrade that lighting system. Okay, one, for better quality pictures, and two, I'm a photographer, videographer. Lisette's sister's husband, same. And you know, we appreciate some good lighting, especially when it comes to capturing content on that. So that's what's gonna happen. Figured it'd be a good time to try out this vlogging thing, something simple. I like to use my camera better. I'm more comfortable with my camera, but it's big and I'm uncomfortable carrying my camera and vlogging when I'm not, like, I don't know, when I'm not at an event. When I'm at an event, I'm like comfortable in it. I don't really mind because people are just doing people things. But if I'm just doing regular things like going to Lowe's, going to Walmart, it gets uncomfortable. People look at you. I don't know. It's just a me thing. I'm sure other people have the same feelings towards it. Other people don't. Gotta put my mask on. Corona protection. Half-ass protection, I mean. There's been a hummingbird flying around my house, so figured I might as well get some hummingbird stuff too. It's also 4th of July weekend, so I might as well get another flag because the flag I have is kind of ring-ditty. Here are my options. Oh yeah, proud Marine veteran, might as well show off some of that too. Alright, now to what I'm actually here for. So that's pretty much the missing piece of the puzzle that I needed for the lighting thing that I'm trying to do outside. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about when I get to the house. And then maybe I give you guys a little test shot at night with the kids or something like that. All right, head back to the house. By the way, these Yeti things, they work. They can keep my drink cold even if I leave it in the parking lot for an entire day. It's crazy. It's crazy how it works, but it works. Especially during times like these, you want to have a cold drink when you need a cold drink. Especially iced coffee. It's only iced because it's iced. You know what I mean? So this here's my old flag, and it's falling apart. It's time to retire it. Don't remember what the proper way of retiring a flag exactly is. I used to know, but some little research will help me with that. Let's go look at the new flag. All right, and here is the new one. Actually, before I open this, I should probably set up the pole. look how beautiful it looks. By the 4th, it should be nice and wrinkle-free. But for now, we'll just let the wind do most of the ironing out. Alright, I was just reading this little pamphlet that came with the flag, and just a little update. It says here, the flag, when in such condition that is no longer a fitting emblem for display, should be destroyed in a dignified way, preferably by burning. So there's the answer to my question, preferably by burning. So here we are in the said backyard where the party's gonna be. It's a little bit windy, so I'm gonna talk a little bit louder. And okay, let me show you guys the lighting. We got one din coming from this tree right here all the way to the house, and then we have a little connection right here. This is the part that I bought from Home Depot. I've already installed excuse me, I've already installed it, and it's gonna go into that little connection right there. I just need to get an adapter, and then we have the second set of lights running from here to the tree and over there. We're actually going to get another set of lights so we can get more coverage behind this tree right here. After this whole setup is done, we are going to have a pretty well and evenly lit backyard, which is exactly what we want for the party and or just a regular afternoon that we want to spend in the backyard. So pretty excited about that. Hummingbird is also going to be hung right here. I mean, not the hummingbird, the hummingbird feeder. We decided to hang it up right there, mainly so when we're in the office, which is that room is the office room, when we're in the office and we're just doing our homework, see a little hummingbird trying to get some nectar, you know, it's a relief. Speaking of hummingbird, there's one right there. Oh man, you guys did not get to see the hummingbird, but there's a hummingbird that lives in this house, or backyard, not in the house. So now we're just gonna wait till nighttime so we can turn on the lights and show you guys what I'm talking about. Alright guys, so it is actually a couple of days later, because the day that I was gonna do all the testing out of the lighting, I didn't have that part that I needed to connect the lights, and also there was a fire going on somewhere in the LA County, and it was just not healthy in general to be out in all that smoke. So here we go. Here is the new lighting. It's not quite nighttime. It's like that time between sunset and nighttime where there's still light from the sun, but it's getting dark rapidly. So I decided to test it out. It's a good time in between time, so you can see what it would look like in the evening, afternoon hours when people are starting to come to the party. And I'm actually gonna switch to my pro camera, my dedicated DSLR. It takes better nighttime quality pictures. The iPhone doesn't really do that good of a job. And I need to see what is the best picture that I can get out of this lighting setup. From what I can see right now, it's still looking a little bit dark, so I might need to increase some lights at the day of the party. However, for a regular evening and nighttime of entertainment, I think this will do fine. If you're not trying to take pictures, you're just trying to hang out, and you still want to make sure that the backyard is lit, I think this is good enough. But let me just show you guys real quick what I'm talking about. So now it is nighttime, and we can fully appreciate what I'm trying to do here with the lights. As you can see, you can still see me, and it's nighttime. So that is what I'm trying to go for. It's not extremely bright. It's just adequate for an evening party, get together, things like that. I like it. I really do. I'm gonna put the description of these lights on Amazon if anybody is interested. They are 50 bucks. They are weatherproof. I've had one of them for a whole year already, almost. I bought them in August, and it rain, 100-degree weather, extreme winds. I left them up, never really took them down, and they still work. So I highly recommend them. They are 50 bucks, so if you're willing to spend 50 bucks on some lights, I highly recommend it. This is the second set that I'm getting, and I'm also gonna get a third set because, as you can see, the back of the tree right here, Doesn't have any light. It's kind of dark, and I really want people to be able to feel comfortable in that area. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys like this somewhat iPhone vlog. I know I stepped it up throughout the nighttime because it is nighttime and the iPhone does not handle low light. This camera handles low light extremely well. Hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you guys think about the backyard. You know, it's adequate for a party, right? Is that what you guys think? Well, I'll talk to you guys later. Like it if you do like it, and see you guys in the next video. All right, peace.